This video came up to you for a reason, and I just wanted to tell you that if you can think about this video in a week, a month, in a day, I think you could use this skill to achieve anything you want, honestly. And the skill I want to talk about is success. The reason why you're unlocking success is because I want to tell you personally that I think you can succeed. I didn't think I could succeed or get to where I'm at right now, but here I am. If you plant your seeds in anything you want to do, not even tomatoes, if you keep watering them, they will grow in a day, a week, a month, a year, 10 years into something fruitful. So that's honestly all you need to know. All there is left is to think about something you want to do and plant that seed right now. Make that commitment. So I know you're committed. Let me know what you want to do in the comments. And once you made that commitment, keep watering it. Show up to that commitment. Try for that commitment. Work for that commitment. It might be a little seedling at first and you're not sure if it'll work, it'll grow all the way, but once you start getting those stems, those flowers, those leaves, the progress, it'll be a lot more believable and it'll motivate you a lot more. I know the beginning and starting out is rough. That's why I want to be there for you to show that it can grow into pretty big leaves. I'm only 16 and I feel like I've already done so much in my life. I'm still growing. I'm getting those leaves, those fruits, and learning a lot more. I'm gonna finish watering these plants. Why don't you do the same for your own plant or seed? Until next time, I'll see you later, bro.